In a recent visit here in Zamboanga and in Jolo, people saw the sincerity in her. Yung smile niya, yung paggalaw niya, yung pagpanat sa tao, akala ito ay dito noon sa siguro sa lahat. Pero yung mga tao dito were almost unanimous na hindi plastic si Sarah. Na nag-usap, nagganito, inaano na yung bata, yung maski kinakausap niya, yung smile niya, yung face niya, yung simplicity niya, yung nakikita nila sincere si Sarah sa kwan. Now, so yung makikita mo ngayon, although it is a political mechanism, no, yung impeachment to remove an earring or yung nagkakamali natin mga public officials, yung naka-enumerate na sa Constitution. Pero yung after effect, ma-outweigh yung impeachment purpose. At saka hindi naman ito mahirap naman ito papasok, mahirap naman ito si VP Sara with the new requirement of the Supreme Court. Yung mga discuss natin yan. Nag-complain ka, verified complaint. Pag-complain mo, kailangan endorse ni Congressman ganon. Pag-endorse, you refer to the committee. That is the first stage, initiation or indictment stage. So diyan sa initiation, ang tagal-tagal niyan, hindi ang gaya ng dati na bigla-biglaan. Okay, may political kwan. Pero 10 days, and then 60 days siya pag nandun na sa plenary. Kailangan ma-resolve niya. 60 days, that is 2 months. And then, yan lang sa justice system. Si Sara, meron din siyang justice committee, meron din siyang right na parang due process yun. He has to be informed of the charges. He will be required to answer. Okay, so ang tagal-tagal niya dyan, in-specify na ng Supreme Court ngayon. It will take months dyan sa Kongreso before it will be sent to the Senate for trial and possibly whatever, conviction or acquittal. So matagal yan. And then another problem is yung 1/3 requirement. Di ko marunong ng math. Ilan ba ang 1/3 ng halimbawa 300? 1/3, 66, mga 180 yan siguro. Or less than 200 siguro yan. So at this moment, yung history natin, yung mga ganyan, di ba iisipin ng other congressmen dyan from Mindanao, especially from Mindanao, na pagsusuporta sila ngayon against Sara, baka matalo sila sa eleksyon. Hindi na yan gaya nung dati. Sa pangalawa, may pera pa ba binigay gaya nung first impeachment na balitan na may pera binigay dyan? O ikaw, butuhan mo kami. Siyempre, most of the congressmen will join them because pinag-uusapan dyan, hundreds of millions yung binibigay in the form of cash or whatever projects ganyan. So, ngayon, mayroon pa ba ibibigay? The Filipino people is watching. Although hindi naman tayo 100% watching. Pero nandiyan, nakatutok yung lahat ngayon. So, wala nang allocable. Meron pa. Maskin meron, minimize yan. So, makakapagbigay pa ba yan ng pera? And knowing the personality of Boji, Speaker Boji, this is a very aggressive, very reserved guy. I don't think, no. In fact, I don't think na it will prosper there. I don't think it will be sent to the Senate. Now, granted that it will be sent to the Senate, it requires another 2/3 votes. And now Sara has 9 votes already. 2/3 of 24 is of all members of the Senate, of all senators. Ang computation ng 2/3 yan, yun is 16. And the majority now is only 15. So kulang pa sila ng isa. I mean, this is a sheer waste of money. Why not concentrate on the problems of the nation, the pressing problems of the nation?